In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your voice in Adobe Express. If you're creating a video or a presentation and want to add your own narration, Adobe Express makes the process simple and streamlined. Start by opening your project in Adobe Express. Make sure it's a video or presentation design, since those formats support voiceover. Give yourself a moment to review the content on your canvas so you know where your narration will fit best. A quick mental walkthrough of your script or key points can help you deliver a clear recording. Once your design is open, look to the left side of the screen for the main toolbar. Click Media, then choose Audio. This takes you into the Audio panel, where everything for sound lives in one place. Think of it as your hub for adding narration, music, or sound effects. Before recording, it's helpful to be in a quiet space and use a decent microphone or headset if you have one. Speaking at a consistent distance from the mic will keep your voice clear and even. In the audio panel, select Record Voiceover. You'll see recording controls that let you start and monitor your take. As you record, it can be useful to watch your timeline or the visual elements on your screen so your narration lines up with the moments you're describing. Keep your tone natural, and don't worry about perfection. Clean, steady pacing is often more effective than trying to rush. If you stumble, take a breath and continue. You can always refine things later. When you're done, stop recording. Adobe Express will automatically add your voice audio to the timeline, placing it on an audio track beneath your visuals. You'll see a waveform representing your narration, which makes it easy to identify sections at a glance. From here, you have the flexibility to review your project with the voiceover in place and make adjustments to timing or visuals so everything feels cohesive. The key benefit is that your audio is now part of your project's timeline, keeping your narration synced with your content. That's the entire process. Open your video or presentation in Adobe Express, go to Media, select Audio, choose Record Voiceover, and stop when you're finished. With those simple steps, you can give your project a professional, personal touch. Take your time, speak clearly, and align your narration with the moments that matter most. Thanks for watching, and enjoy bringing your story to life with your own voice in Adobe Express.